front of me is Nevin phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Then choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then tap on this switcher next to Also Allow Access to Contacts and Call History to enable or disable this option, and when you're ready, select Pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. But if you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by tapping on this gear next to any paired device and checking out all of those options, including Forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!